What's up, guys? It's Squizzle. Today I'm going to be doing my first lock picking video. I've been picking for about 2 months. I just haven't got a video out yet, so I figured I'd do one. So today I'm going to be picking this Master lock. It's just one of those cheapo locks I actually bought it because it said high security. You can see it has the American keyway where it sits out a little bit, and the plug's farther down. So this is a 4-pin. I don't even know how much it was, but I brought it home the first day and I picked it, and it was really easy. So I took the plug out and took the pins out, and there's no security pins. So what I did was I repinned it, and I went to a high-low for the key pins, and the driver pins I took one of these American locks that I find all over, just cut off because people couldn't get them off their lockers, they forgot their key, whatever. So I cut a couple of those up, and I took the serrated pins out and I put them in here, and so it made the lock better. And like I said, I rekeyed it, so this is the original key. Doesn't work, but it is locked, and I'm going to pick it for you. So today I'm going to be using a southward short hook. I don't know if you can see that or not. My lighting's not that great, but and then one of these bent tension wrenches. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension, and there's my light finally. So yeah, let's get started. There is a piece of metal in the back of this, so you can't use a bypass tool. Like I said, this lock's 4 pins. And there it is. And that's the Master lock. So thanks for watching my first lock picking video. I'm sure I'll have more up soon. And don't do anything illegal. Don't pick locks that you don't own. Don't pick locks that you count on, that you use, and have fun.